Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at periods and how to use them at the end of sentences and abbreviations. So you use a period at the end of a declarative sentence to end it. You'll also use a period at the end of an abbreviation to show that it has been shortened. Let's take a look at some examples. Sasha and Sue headed to the pier after dinner for a walk. You'll see there that that period goes after walk. That shows that that sentence is finished. Next example, Malik was wondering when the cafe opens in the morning. You'll see here again we have a period at the end of that. That's showing that the sentence there about Malik is finished. So we've got the period there. If Taryn calls me this afternoon, we will make plans for the trip. And again, at the end of this sentence, we have a period at the end of it. Shows here that the period is ending that sentence. Let's take a look at some more examples. Dr. Martin will teach this course next semester. We have two periods here. There's a period following the DR, which is the abbreviation for doctor. And then there's also a period here following semester. So we have the period here after DR to show that we have an abbreviation. And then we have a period after semester that shows that that sentence is completed. We left the house at 11 a.m. but didn't arrive to the airport until after 1 p.m. So we see here we have two periods to show that we have an abbreviation. And again here, two periods to show that we have an abbreviation. The Avalanche versus the Blues was an amazing game. We have two periods here. One after the VS, which is the abbreviation for versus, and one here after game to show that it's the end of the sentence. And our last example, Reverend Xavier Gonzalez Jr. will be presiding over the event this evening. We've got a period here after REV, which is the abbreviation for Reverend. We have a period after the JR, which is the abbreviation for Junior. And we have an abbreviation here, we have a period here that demonstrates that this is the end of the sentence. It goes at the end of evening. So I know that punctuation can be a challenge, but the better that we can understand it as writers, then the more clearly that we'll be able to communicate with our audience and be able to say exactly what it is that we mean. So hopefully this is helpful to you, and good luck with your writing.